everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these DIY lash clusters. They are by the brand Sisful, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So as you can see in this kit, you're going to get your tweezers, which are right there, your lash glue and bond. This is a remover, and then these are the lashes themselves. So that is what the lashes look like. They look really pretty. And it has 3 rows of 16, 3 rows of 14, 3 rows of 12, and then 3 rows of 10 millimeters. So a really good set. But let's go ahead, start applying these and see what they look like on. So on the glue, you're going to see bond, and then you're going to see lock. So what the bond does, it's a glue. So you're going to put it on your lashes. And then when you apply your lashes, if they are sticky, you'll use the seal, which is the lock. You don't have to use that unless your lashes are sticky. I do get a lot of questions why I don't always use it. It's not actually like to lock in your lashes. It's more to keep it from sticking to your bottom lashes. So it kind of makes the glue like not sticky, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying the glue. It's actually a clear glue. I'm not as big of a fan on the clear glue. I prefer a black glue because I've noticed with the clear, it leaves a white residue behind. But I want to use this for video purposes since that's what comes in the kit. But I personally do not like clear glue because although it's clear, you can still see it. It kind of looks like Elmer's glue, like it leaves that kind of glue residue behind. So I try to keep the glue at the base of the lashes, and then when grabbing the lashes, I like to kind of go underneath down here and then pull. I go behind it and then pull up. And I'm going to try 3 of each. We'll see what that looks like. And then I kind of look down. Is going to pop it on just like that. Now with the second lash, I'm going to put glue on the top side so that I can slightly overlap them so that there's no like lines. So I just get that glue, put it on the top side. Since I am gluing from underneath, that's what you want to do. I do feel it sticking right there. Okay. I'm going to go right underneath that one and just place it like that. Okay, so that is my 3 16s. Now I'm going to do 3 14s. So again, I just take them off, and I like to place them on this side because it just makes it easier on me. And then I'm going to put the glue on the back side and then just place them underneath there. You do not want to place them like directly on the lash line so that it doesn't poke. I mean, you can, but you may start having like a poking feeling. If you don't want that, you just go slightly above the lash line and then you won't feel that irritation. Okay, so 3 16, 3 14. Now I'm going to start off with 2 12. I'm going to try to fit 3 12s on there. But if it doesn't fit all 3, I'm going to just start out with 2. And these are like really pretty lashes. I love how wispy they are. This is like a really nice, like beautiful lash set. My favorites. I don't like a straight lash because to me they don't look as pretty and they don't blend as well as the wispy ones like this. Okay, so I only had to do 2 of the 12s. That is what it looks like. So you have your before, your after. Such a crazy difference what lashes can do. I don't like this light. Like, you see this? This is because of my blinds, because I'm recording in front of my video. So after I'm done, like, placing my lashes, I need to get, like, this side get a little sticky, but I'm going to show you. What you'll do is you go behind, and then you'll push them down like that. And then sometimes if I'm really wanting, like, extra fluff, I'll get some strip lashes, and then I'll place them on top, and it just makes it super bold. Okay, so let me go ahead and kind of just show you what they look like. So that's your side view. So these are so beautiful. Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this side off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once both sides are completed. Okay, so that is what it looks like with both eyes completed. Now you see, like how when I'm blinking on this side, that keeps sticking. So what I'll do is I'll get that seal, that lock. You see how it just keeps sticking right there? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the lock, and I'm going to dab it. Just right there where it keeps sticking. And it's not going to stick no more. I don't think this side is sticking out. Just apply it a little bit right there. And you don't want to apply this like all through your lashes because it'll make them crispy. And that's not what you want. You just don't want them to be sticking. You see? It took away that stickiness. So that's the point of the seal. That actually, I smell that. It smells like nail polish remover. That's what it smells like. The glue had a really strong scent as well. But that is what they look like completed. Like, huge difference. Now I just need to go and fix my hair because it's all crazy. And then I will be ready for today. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.